Hello, my name is Kevin from JBH. In this video, I'm going to show you how to unbox DC05, which is carbon fiber wheelchair, and have an initial setup. First of all, thank you very much for choosing JBH wheelchair. To open the box is really simple and easy. You just need a knife or opener, cut the stripe and also the tab off. Open the top of the carton that you can lay the whole carton down. That allows you to take out the wheelchair. It's really simple and easy. Once we have wheelchair outside the carton, you will find a seat cushion right here. Simply just take it out, and right in between the space of the folded wheelchair, you will find a seat back cushion and also a controller, a charger inside the box. And the final thing is the user's manual pack with safety belts and also some simple tools for you available in the future. Open the wheelchair is really simple and easy. Simply just hold the top of the seat back here with one hand so that you can move the wheelchair to the front. That allow you to open up the wheelchair in just 1 second. It's really convenient. We set the seat cushion on the top of the seat. Then the seat back cushion with the logo to the back. Go through here. And then final thing is the controller. Simply we have the pipe in the controller. We simply insert it into the armrest pipe and then turn the knob to tight. Connect the power with arrow to arrow. And then we turn the knob in the middle to tight. Wheelchair actually has free-wheel mode design that allow you to have manual or electric switch. It really depends on the demand of your real use condition. You want to push by hands, just put the two lever to the front. That allows you to push by hands. Then if you want to control through electric mode, just put the two lever back. And then we can flip up the armrest by turning the lever under the armrest pad. And then we can flip up the armrest that allow us to access from the side. Or either you can choose to the front too. Simply we just turn the power on. Actually the battery has been fully charged when it goes to the factory, so don't worry about the power, just simply turn it on. Then you can turn the joystick to the front for forward and then to the back for backward, or to the both sides, right or left. Even 360-degree turning is no problem at all. There actually has two ways for charging the wheelchair. First of all, you can have direct charge through the joystick controller. Here there's a charging port. We simply plug in the charger plug here, then you can connect to power source for charging. The second way is an off-board charge design that allow you to take out the battery. Simply hold the bar here that you can take out the battery, and then connect the power plug here that you can take out the battery inside your room or your any other place that you go for charging. Is really convenient. Folds up the wheelchair is really simple and easy. You will find there's a 14 mechanism on the back of the wheelchair with the red button. We simply push it down and same time push the seat back to the front a little bit. One hand holds the seat frame, the other hand holds the top of the seat back. We push both hands together to the center that we can fold up the wheelchair, and then we can fold the footrest. That's the last thing. I hope you find the way of folding and unfolding the wheelchair is really simple and easy. And also the initial setup. If you got any question, please check out user's manual or subscribe to our channel. Put your thumb up. Thank you very much.